Now we're going to quickly do multiple videos so you understand that there is a different gallery type for each piece of content, because we were that obsessed about making sure that the content we own, the content we want to show, is displayed in the best light possible. With that, let's upload multiple videos. So I'm going to be uploading the making of this film we made together, me and my team. Tiffany, one of our co-founders, made this beautiful film a while back, and it got on HBO, and there's a behind the scenes for it. So while I can't share the actual film because it's on HBO, what we can do is share the making of and the trailer. So that's what we'll be doing. As you can see now, it's not as convenient to fetch all the data from the videos, right? Because it's 3 different videos, so I wouldn't know what to call this main gallery type, nor give it a description. So each of these videos have to get their own description, and then you can obviously change their title right here, right? I'm going to call this Welcome Back, the Making of. And then the description for it will be, this is the making of one of my favorite movies, directed by one of my favorite humans. I know how to spell humans, guys. I'm just trying to make it comical. We're going to make it narrative. Collaborators, obviously, Tiffany, she not only wrote it, she directed it, and she produced it, because but you don't have a title that is past tense. Thank you. All right, cool. Then we have Carly. She's also one of the best producers there are. I edited it, and produced it. All right, cool. And then we have Becky. She did amazing cinematography. And then you add more and more people, right? We're here. We're together. I'm going to put here award-winning film, because it is. HBO Max, because it's on HBO. Tiffany. Because she's a badass director. So these are the kinds of tags I like to do. We do not know how these will perform, but what we do know is we'll let the audience tell us what the best tags they want to use. This will be hashtags. Once again, project details. This was a short film. Organization was our organization. Creative X Entertainment. Fantastic. And it was completed back when I had beautiful, luscious hair, 2019. I think I had hair then. Related services, but this one I do want it featured, so I'm going to just feature it here. I'm going to manage cover. You can select obviously from any of these, but I do prefer to upload my own, and I like this one because it's pretty. Yeah, just right. And then we're doing this one, upload a custom cover, and I like this one again. And just like that, it's pretty. I do kind of want to go back and change these thumbnails. I don't want to crop it. I want to make my own. Okay, this is the trailer. And I'm just messing around now, so you'll get the gist of it. Yay. And then the last one. Why not Peter Pan? Why did I say that? I do not know. You can add description for each of them, whatever you want. The bottom line, you get it, right? We upload it, and then we wait. Thankfully, it counts when it's uploading. So it makes you not think you're frozen, because you're not. There we go, guys. It is now uploaded here. You can see it right here. This is the making of, blah, blah, blah. And then you can view the content, slightly different. And when you click on it, you get somewhat of inspired by our usual dark themed video players. And you get to play it. And you get to have fun. And you get to showcase your work, because that's what this is for. So as you can see, there's a lot of potential here with what we can all do with our portfolios. And it's not going to stop with us saying what it should be. It's going to start with you telling us what you want next, and that's going to be what we focus on. See you later, guys.